Hey everyone, welcome back to the food vlog. If you want to see how to make these acorn strawberries covered in chocolate, then keep on watching. You will need strawberries, make sure you wash them and dry them completely, chocolate melting wafers, chocolate sprinkles, and pretzel sticks. First, I'm gonna remove all the stems from the strawberry. Then with the reusable straw, I'm gonna punch a hole through the middle of the strawberry. This is going to create an opening to insert the pretzel stick. The pretzel stick is going to be the stem from the acorn. One more time, I'm going to pat dry my strawberries to make sure they're all dry for the chocolate to stick on. I'm going to add my chocolate and melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Take it out, stir it, and then melt it again until it's completely melted. So here I have my chocolate melted. I'm going to dip the strawberries from the tip only halfways. Here are my strawberries dipped in chocolate halfways. This chocolate hardens at room temperature, so it speeds up the process. You could put them in the refrigerator for quicker results. So now that it's hardened, I'm gonna grab it from the tip and then I'm gonna dip the ends in the chocolate and then I'm gonna dip into the sprinkles. Then I'm gonna grab my pretzel stick and insert it into the opening we made with the straw. And then you want to repeat the process for the rest of your strawberries. I really like this chocolate. It's one of my favorite brands and it becomes solid at room temperature, so it's easy to work with and it's quick. This was such an easy dessert to make. It tastes so good. The chocolate tastes so rich and it doesn't have that weird aftertaste that some other brands have. They look so cute and it's great for the holidays. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.